Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Former governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Tambuwal, has said that the Senate was wrong in approving the state of emergency in Rivers State without meeting the constitutional requirement of 2/3 majority. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first people. God bless you. Now, Senator Aminu Tambuwal, he was the former governor of Sokoto State, and he has also been a speaker of the National Assembly. So he should be an authority on National Assembly. And when he says something pertaining to National Assembly, I think people should pay attention. Now, Senator Aminu Tambuwal has protested about the state of emergency that was declared in Rivers State without meeting the constitutional requirement of 2/3 majority. It is interesting because if you listen to what he said, he also talked about the need for a quorum. He said that for a state of emergency under Section 305 to be effective or to have the approval of the National Assembly, 2/3 majority must give the approval. And in this case, that will be 73 out of 109 has to approve of it. 73 senators out of 109 at least will approve of it. But according to Aminu Tambuwal, this constitutional requirement was not met. And he declared that this requirement not met was a violation of Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution. And look at what he told the Sun newspaper. He said, I observed that there were not enough senators present to meet the constitutional requirement. Not enough senators present to meet the constitutional requirement. From what I saw, there was no such number on the floor that day. So ab initio, even before they started voting, Tambuwal observed that they don't even have enough number to be able to carry out that constitutional responsibility. Yet, the thing went ahead. In other words, what Tambuwal is saying, Tambuwal is also a lawyer. What he's saying is that what was passed as the endorsement of the Senate to the state of emergency was an illegality. It didn't follow due process. And that explains so much about the state of our democracy. And kudos to Tambuwal. Kudos to Tambuwal. He is among the heroes of democracy because Aminu Tambuwal was among the senators that could not stand the shenanigan that took place in the Senate at the Senate floor that day. Himself, Senator Baribe, and Siriake Dixon, they staged a walkout so that history will record them that they were not part of the ignominy that took place in the floor of the Senate by endorsing an illegal removal from office of an elected governor, elected deputy governor, and the State House of Assembly, which was the biggest attack on democracy since 1999. Why did I say so? In 2004, when Obasanjo declared state of emergency, it was because of an unusual situation. Muslims and Christians were slaughtering themselves in Plateau State. By the time Obasanjo declared state of emergency, over 2,000 Nigerians have been killed in Plateau State and environs. There was a need to take an extrajudicial measure to tackle an unusual situation. And Obasanjo invoked state of emergency. Even that Obasanjo's invocation of the state of emergency was later described as overreaching himself by the Supreme Court, because Obasanjo sacked elected Governor Darie and replaced him with Chris Ale. General Chris Ale retired. He sacked the deputy governor of Rivers State, of Plateau State. He sacked the state of assembly. The Supreme Court said it was wrong. He doesn't have the powers to remove from office an elected governor, elected officials. That was why when Jonathan declared state of emergency in 2013, which was about 9 years later, Jonathan learned from that mistake of Obasanjo when he declared state of emergency in Sokoto, in Adamawa, Borno and Yobe, that we are under the lockdown of Boko Haram. He did not sack the governors. He did not sack the deputy governors. He did not sack the state house assemblies of these states. He allowed them to operate, even as he imposed dusk-to-dawn curfew by the military to carry out operation to root out the Boko Haram insurgents. So you can see. But in the case of Tinubu, Tinubu is aware of what happened in 2004. He was governor then, and he condemned what Obasanjo did. And he was aware of 2013. By that time, he was no longer governor, but he was still the de facto governor in Rivers State, in Lagos State. Because since he left office, he had been determining who becomes governor in Lagos State. And even as ex-governor, he condemned Jonathan's 2013 declaration of emergency, which didn't touch the democratic institutions in those states. But look at his own. He altered the democratic institution with impunity. So he is the one, because there were some examples he had to take from Obasanjo, from Jonathan, but he disregarded it. He disregarded it. So his own is a different thing altogether. His is the worst. The worst action by any sitting president in removing an elected governor. So Tambuwal is a hero of democracy by being among those who walked out instead of endorsing such an illegality. So history will remember him well when democracy is talked about in Nigeria. I don't know what to think about his exposition that even the quorum was not met to conduct the vote to either support or not to support the state of emergency. What Tambuwal was saying, when the Constitution was violated by the National Assembly in the endorsement of the state of emergency in Rivers State. What is your position? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.